This UFO was captured on camera, but when I analyzed it frame by frame, things got strange. At first, it looks like just another object in the sky, maybe a reflection, maybe a distant aircraft. But once you slow it down, frame by frame, a completely different picture starts to appear. Watch this. The object stays visible across multiple frames, which immediately tells us one thing: this is not a camera glitch. Now look at the background. The clouds are clearly moving, but the object barely shifts position. And that's where it gets interesting. If this were something close, like a drone or a balloon, it would move rapidly across the frame because of the plane's speed. But it doesn't. Instead, it stays almost perfectly stable. So what does that mean? It means the object is either extremely far away or moving in a way that matches the observer. Now let's talk about light behavior. There are no blinking navigation lights, no visible wings, no exhaust trail, which makes it very hard to classify as a conventional aircraft. So we test the most common explanations. A reflection? No, because it doesn't stay locked to the window. A weather balloon? Unlikely, no natural drifting motion. A drone? Impossible at this altitude and stability. So, after eliminating everything we know, we're left with something we don't: an unidentified aerial object. Now, that doesn't automatically mean aliens, but it does mean this object doesn't behave like anything we can easily explain. And that's where you come in. What do you think this is? A distant aircraft we're misinterpreting? A classified piece of technology? Or something truly unknown? Drop your theory in the comments. And if you want more real UFO investigations, subscribe now.